In this video, I'm going to give you our top 3 apps that will help you get more views on YouTube. The very first one's going to help you rank higher. The next is going to help you get more clicks on your videos. And the third will help you drive outside traffic to your videos from places like Facebook and Twitter. So let's get this party started. Hey Digital Trailblazers, this is Leah Ray from digitaltrailblazer.com. Welcome to the channel. If you want to use YouTube to grow your business to drive traffic and convert sales, then you're in the right place.
Psst. This is where you hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications.
Now, I'll have links to all of the apps I'm about to talk about in the description below, so make sure to check that out. But the very first app I'm going to tell you about is largely considered to be an essential, a must-have tool among the very top YouTubers around. Every single creator that we've talked to that has a large and growing channel has used this tool to get an advantage over their competition. So what is it? TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy gives you a bunch of tools to help you grow and to manage your channel. But when it specifically comes down to ranking higher and getting more views and more subscribers, it helps you do this in 3 primary ways. Number 1, it's going to give you the absolute best keyword research data for YouTube. Not only will it show you the keyword search volume, but it will give you a good idea of how competitive the keyword is on YouTube. It will show you how many competing videos exist for that keyword. It will give you a weighted keyword score based on your specific channel's performance, and it will also give you a bunch of related keywords that you might want to try to consider as well. For example, if we search a word like how to get monetized on YouTube, we see that it has 11,200 searches per month. It's fairly competitive, and the overall score is a 10 out of 100, which is sucky. It's pretty poor. If we click to see the weighted score for our specific channel, the overall score goes down to 3 out of 100. And I can see that we'd be competing against 545,000 other videos. But on the right-hand side here, there are a bunch of other related keywords that I can check out. So if I click how to get monetized on YouTube fast, now we're getting somewhere. Now we've got some much better news. The overall weighted score for our channel is now a 67 out of 100, which is fabulous. The search volume is still decent, and we would be competing against a lot fewer videos. Number 2, it's going to help you spy on your competition. It's going to help you see what tags are using in their videos, and this is important because if you want to rank for the same things that they're ranking for, you will want to probably use the same tags that they're using. This is also a great way to find new keywords that you might not have thought of yet. Now, not only does it show you what their tags are, but it'll show you how high they rank for those tags, which is honestly even more important. For example, if we see that someone is using a tag but they're not ranking for that tag, then it might not be a tag that we want to use if we are going to be creating a similar video. Now, TubeBuddy also lets you easily copy their tags, so you don't even have to manually type out the entire tags, which is a huge time saver. And the third thing that TubeBuddy does, which honestly makes it the most valuable feature, is that it lets you split test your thumbnails. It shows you which thumbnail is going to give you a better click-through rate. It is a well-known fact among top YouTubers that your thumbnail is really one of the biggest factors in getting people to click on your video to watch it. So having a great thumbnail that converts well is key to your video success. Now, this has been one of our secret weapons that has allowed us to continually increase our click-through rate and gradually increase our views on our videos over time. Most people just upload a custom thumbnail and never look back. And honestly, this is a huge mistake, and it can keep your channel small and struggling. If you go back and you update your thumbnails on old videos to get a better click-through rate, you will be able to get a lot more clicks and views on those videos within your channel. So those are just 3 of the most important things that TubeBuddy does. It's got dozens of features that will help you manage and grow your YouTube channel. But if you want to check it out, they do have a free plan, so you can sign up for that, and there's no risk in taking a look. You can check out that in the description of this video. There's a link to the free version. Now, speaking about thumbnails, app number 2 is the very best free thumbnail creator around, Canva. Like I said, increasing your click-through rate should be one of your top priorities if you want to grow your channel. And the 2 things that can drive your click-through rate is your title and your thumbnail. So creating a great looking thumbnail is absolutely critical in this process. And Canva is a tool that will help you do that for free. Now, Canva does have a paid plan, but it's absolutely not necessary. You can do most of the things you really want to do on the free plan, and we used the free plan for years before ever upgrading. It lets you easily create stumblish thumbnails. That sounds like a problem. It lets you easily create stylish thumbnails for your videos in just minutes. And it comes with a bunch of preloaded fonts, stickers, shapes, backgrounds, and templates that you can use to quickly create great looking thumbnails. Now, for as much as we love Canva as a free thumbnail creating platform, the one thing that would make it worth paying for is the ability to automatically remove the background in your photos. And if you're going to pay the subscription fee to do that, then we would actually recommend PicMonkey instead. It's very similar to Canva, but for the same price, you actually will get better features that will make your thumbnails pop even more. So if you want free, then go with Canva. If you're willing to pay a little bit of money, then go with PicMonkey. Now, getting the right keywords for your title and your tags was app number 1. App number 2 allows you to get a better click-through rate with better looking thumbnails. And app number 3 is going to help you drive traffic and get more views on your videos from places like Facebook and Twitter. And that is IFTTT. If this, then that. This is another free app that helps you automate activities on social media. Now with IFTTT, you can set it up so that when you upload a video to YouTube, it will automatically create a post on your Facebook page with a link to that video. You can also set it up to publish a tweet on Twitter with a link to your video. You can even integrate it with sites like WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr to generate even more traffic and to get backlinks to your video and your YouTube channel. But the great thing about this is that you just set it up one time and it will run automatically every single time that you publish a new video on YouTube. Now, an alternative to IFTTT that you can do a lot more with is an app called Zapier. It also has a free plan, but has some pay plans as well. Now, if all you're going to do with it is post your YouTube videos to Facebook and Twitter, then your free plan will do just fine for you. But if you want to do other things with it, you may find yourself quickly upgrading to a paid plan. So what we prefer to do is automate as much as we can with IFTTT, and then anything that IFTTT can't do, we use Zapier for. And if you're thinking about upgrading to a paid plan with Zapier, then you may want to consider a cheaper option called Automate.io, which is very similar to Zapier, but it has fewer apps that it integrates with. In fact, once they add an integration to Zoom, we're probably canceling Zapier and switching over to Automate.io because it's about half the price. Now, if you want to learn more about the YouTube algorithm and how to get it to promote your videos, then you want to click on the link, top link in the description, or this video in the upper right corner of your screen. Watch that video next because we're going to walk you through it. I'll see you there. Bye.